Before watching this video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive more notifications further. Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be about how I transformed from this to this. So if you're interested to watch this daytime makeup look to nighttime makeup look transformation, please keep on watching. So before going to the tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the makeup look which I have created as a daytime makeup look in my previous video. We are going to amp up this look by adding few things. The only thing which we are going to remove is the lipstick. If you have excess oil, just take a tissue paper and just blot it out. The first and foremost thing which I'm going to do is contouring. If you have seen the look in my last video, I have just bronzed my face using a darker shade of a compact. So now I'm going to contour my face. The thing you should remember is you have already set your base with powders, so you can't do any cream contour. If suppose you want to transform the daytime makeup look into the nighttime, you can't use a cream contour. So instead, it might look cakey, so instead I'm just going to do a powder contour very slightly. Look at the difference contour makes. This is just the bronze side and this is a contour side, and also some nose contouring. Now that the contouring is done, your face will have a bit of dimension. If you see, contouring is nothing but creating a shadow so that your face will be structured. That's what we have done right now. The next step is to apply the highlighter again. Make sure that it doesn't look cakey or something. If you have seen, I had applied Wet n Wild highlighter on my high points. So for night, I just want to amp up the glow. So I'm going to use Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm going to touch up my highlighted parts. Also, don't forget to highlight your inner corners and the brow bone. Making sure that I'm using a more reflective highlighter for the night time, and for the daytime I will use a very muted kind of highlighter. So once this is done, the next step is to remove the lipstick which I have applied in the first makeup. Just reapply a bit of foundation or concealer onto your lips. Neutralize your lip. The next step is to amp up your eye makeup. For that, I'm just using the Nikake Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Summer Solicitize. So this is a beautiful bronze golden shade. I'm just going to take a liner brush and use this eyeshadow as an eyeliner. The lips, I like to go for a very bold vampy lipstick. And my lips, I'm going to use the Lakme Perfect Lip Definer in the shade Blackcurrant. I have lined my lips. I'm just going to apply my cream lipstick. That's Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in the shade Cherry Bomb. To make this further matte, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Transylvania. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So if you like to follow me on my social media pages, the links will be down below in the description box. You can directly click on them and follow me there. So also, if you have liked the look, please do give it a thumbs up and also share the video to your loved ones. So see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.